Let's see what we got here. All right, so these are the hair clips. Mm-hmm. And how do they work? Come on, put one in your hair. Here, let me see. All right, so we're getting the hair all mixed up here.
They were designed because the normal clips that we use, which are these big claws, are great and work well and allow you to just kind of wear your hair, but they stick out. And when you lean back in a seat or a car seat or a plane seat or whatever, it's not comfortable. So then they made these clips flatter to the curve of your head.
Okay.
Which you put on the same way. And they're flat and they're comfortable.
Okay.
Except for the hair doesn't really lay correctly.
But they work, huh?
But they're more comfortable when you lean back. Yeah, so they give you different colors.
All right, get these on Amazon. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel.